Measurement of volume, physics exam question analysis. My dear viewers and listeners, today I am going to start the analysis of IGCSE 0625 physics exam question. Exam reference is March 2016. The question reference is 0625 March 16 question 1 paper 1-2. The theory of this question is from 0625 curriculum chapter 1 general physics. It is a multiple choice question on volume. According to the statement of this question, a student wishes to find the volume of a small irregular shaped stone. A ruler and a measuring cylinder containing some water are available. Look at the goal of this question. Which apparatus is needed from the given option? Now come to the option. Which apparatus is needed? Option A, neither the ruler nor the measuring cylinder. Option B, the measuring cylinder only. Option C, the ruler and the measuring cylinder. Option D, the ruler only. Working step 1. Volume. Volume is a derived physical quantity. Volume of a liquid or solid object is measured in cubic meter, meter cube or cubic centimeter, centimeter cube. Working step 2. Volume of irregular stone. Now consider each option to find the correct apparatus to measure the volume of irregular shaped object stone. Working step 3. Option A, neither the ruler nor the measuring cylinder. You have to use at least one apparatus from the given one to find the volume of irregular shaped stone. It is not possible to measure the volume in imagination. Therefore, option A is incorrect. Working step 4. Option B, the measuring cylinder only. A measuring cylinder is used to measure volume of a liquid or a small solid object. To find the volume of an irregular shaped solid object, the principle of displacement of water is used. Details are given as follows. Working step 5. Use of measuring cylinder. Record the first level of water as volume V1. Now lower gently the stone into the cylinder. Now record the second level as volume V2. Volume of stone is equal to V2 minus V1. As a result, a measuring cylinder is used to find the volume of a stone. Hence, option B is correct. Working step 6. Use of a ruler for regular shaped object. A ruler is used to measure straight length. For regular shaped object, volume is equal to length times breadth times height. L stands for length, B stands for breadth, and A stands for height. All are length with different names. Therefore, a ruler can be used to find the volume of a regular shaped object. Working step 7. Use of a ruler for an irregular shaped object. A ruler cannot be used to find a curved or an irregular shaped length of an object like a small stone. Therefore, a ruler is not used to find the volume of an irregular shaped object like a small stone. Hence, first part of option C is incorrect. Working step 8. Option C, the ruler and the measuring cylinder. Now you know in option B that a measuring cylinder is used to find the volume of a stone. The second part of option C is correct, but first part is incorrect. Therefore, option C is incorrect. My dear learners, please subscribe this ISRA Science Education to get new updates. Working step 9. Option D, the ruler only. A ruler cannot be used to find a curved or an irregular shaped length of an object. Therefore, a ruler is not used to find the volume of an irregular shaped solid object like a small stone. Hence, option D is also incorrect. Working step 10. Correct option. A measuring cylinder is used to find the volume of an irregular shaped solid object like a small stone. It matches with option B. Therefore, option B is correct. It is verified as well. Next physics exam question. To look for the next question on volume in IGCSE Physics 0625 curriculum, please go to ISRA Science Education, go to the video list IGCSE 0625, go to the question 0625 March 18, question 1, question paper 1-2. Thank you for subscribing and watching my video lesson. Please share this video lesson with your classmates.